What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Joe B, aka your big brother Chicago Rilla, and you are tuned in to King Minded Media Podcast. Man, we are here about to go to the gym, get us a good little workout in, and it's Christmas Eve, so we just, man, really just thanking God, man, for all His blessings that He has just bestowed upon us this year, that's keeping us this year. A lot of people, man, lost their job this year. A lot of people going through a lot of heartache and grief and all of that. So, man, I'm just praying for y'all, praying that everybody just stay positive. Just continue to keep God first, continue to seek Him every single day. I know it's hard, but hey, man, you just got to do it, man, because God gonna bless you, and He's always present. So He understands what you're going through, and He not gonna put more on you than you can bear. You dig? So, all that to say, we about to go to the gym. Get us a good little workout in, man. I don't want to slack this week. I've been going really, man, high. Like last week I did 5 straight days of working out, straight cardio, at least 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, walking on the treadmill, listening to my music or whatever, like really zoning in and locking in. So that's what we on. We're gonna keep it going, cause man, I'm trying to get some of this baby weight off. You dig? So, but without further ado, hey, we about to head to the gym. Let's get it. Head off Christmas tree. Man, give son a tree, man. Thank you, God, you dig. So, about to head up. All right, so we just made it to the gym. We here finna get it in. It's our weapon of choice tonight. Treadmill, let's get it. Just got warmed up, about to get it in on the treadmill. About to be on this big crit tonight too. I'm on big crit tonight. It's a big crit night, man. And we're gonna leave our review too. We're gonna let y'all know what we think about Big Crit, new album that just dropped out. Love Big Crit. Shout out to Mississippi. Excellent artist. Let's go get it in, man. Our goal tonight is to do at least over 30 minutes of cardio tonight. Let's just lock in, zone in. Let's get it. Hey, man, this real sweat. Getting it in, man. I'm encouraging you, man. Get to the gym, man. Don't make no more excuses, bro. 2026, man, get to it. Shoot, hey, you still got, a week and a half left? Get to it, man. If you're a trucker, hey, you sitting in that truck right now eating snacks while you waiting to get unloaded, hey, get out the truck and walk around the truck a couple times, man. It ain't gonna hurt you, bro. You gotta stay moving, bro. Let's go. Like, share, subscribe, man.
One hour, 3 minutes, and 44 seconds.
So, man, we had a good workout tonight. As you can see, that boy put that work in. I got my vest on, just unloosen that joint. But, man, we did a whole hour and 3 minutes of just solid walking, incline. I went up to about 7 on the incline. Average pace was 2.8. So, just something decent to, really start out with. It worked for me, as you can see. Your boy soaking wet, man. But, man, Merry Christmas to y'all, man. Had to come get it in tonight for Christmas Eve, you dig? So, man, pray everybody have a great holiday with your family, man. And remember the reason for the season, you dig? So, shout out Jesus Christ, you already know. the vibe. But yeah, we in here, man.